This is a very serious song. Chicken. Nice fried chicken. Barbecue chicken. Won't you send it down the line? Everybody's talking about chicken. Chicken's a popular bird, but anywhere you go, you're bound to find a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Some folks call it a fowl. That's the story I heard. But let 'em call it this and let 'em call it that. A chicken ain't nothing but a bird. You can broil it, roast it, boil it, put it in a pan or a pot. Eat it with potatoes, rice or tomatoes. A chicken's still what you got. Hey! It was a dish for old Caesar and also King Henry III. But Columbus was smart, said you can't fool me. A chicken ain't nothing but a bird. You can broil it, roast it, boil it, stick it in a pan or a pot. Eat it with potatoes, rice or tomatoes. A chicken's still what you got. Hey! It was a dish for old Caesar and also King Henry III. But Columbus was smart, said you can't fool me. A chicken ain't nothing but